Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today there is an important announcement, right friends? So we will see about it and you can download the news analysis PDF friends, right? You can download the news analysis PDF on daily basis from our Telegram channel, right friends? And you can call me on this following number, that is 9640 right? You can follow me on my Facebook page for getting an few details, and you can follow the Facebook page of Acquire IAS as well friends, right? We have created a page of Acquire IAS, right? So you can follow that and you can join Telegram channel, our Telegram channel, for getting a daily newspaper PDF for free of cost friends, right? So there is no there is no cost for getting a newspaper on daily basis, so you can join our Telegram channel here. So let us get started friends, right? So, and these are few details of my Acquire IAS. So you can see this. So these are the timings for offline batches friends, right? So 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. second batch is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and third batch is 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. friends, and these are only on Saturdays and Sundays as well friends, right? And the timings as well as fees will be negotiable friends, so don't bother about those things. So you are always welcome friends, right? So we will move further. So now today's question is ahead in front of you friends, right? So will UPSC Civil Services Exams 2020, that is IAS, IPS and IFS, will postpone once again or not, right friends? So after revising, the UPSC has decided a particular date, that is October 4th, right friends? October 4th as a prelims date, October 4th 2020. But what do you think about it? Will it be postponed or will it continue with this sessions, with its examinations, right friends? So we'll see further here friends. So I let you know one thing here for you. So this is for you friends, that is postponed UPSC Civil Services 2020 prelims. Supreme Court Advocate Alak Srivastav writes to UPSC chairman friends, right? For this purpose it was in news, right friends? So what did he said? He said UPSC prelims, the date which is given by the UPSC, so it should be postponed once again. So whether it is correct or not friends, right? So October 4th, right friends? October 4th 2020 is prelims date friends, right? Prelims date, UPSC prelims date. So what it should be according to your opinion? So let me know in the comment section friends, because it is a part of the ethics, that is you need to get a decision taking friends, right? You need to draw your decisions by your own, whether it is correct. You should analyze the situations friends, right? So after getting into the administration, so you need to take lots of decisions. So this is one kind of exercise for you, so you may comment in the description box, right friends? So let me know your answers for this. And according to me, first of all, I let you know there is stay home, stay safe friends, right? Stay home, stay safe, right friends? And the second thing is, yes, it should be postponed friends, right? According to me is it should be postponed, because when it was postponed, then in India we are not facing with this such kind of cases and with this kind of severity. But now the severity has been raised and the cases has been raised. The vaccine is still not there is no vaccine in the market. So till the vaccine of the coronavirus gets into the market, then until then all kind of exams should be postponed, right friends? So this is my opinion, and let me know your opinion as well friends, right? So here the another thing is, you can follow this challenge series of UPSC CSAT prelims, right friends? UPSC CSAT prelims friends. This is mainly important for those who feel that I was very tough in, and they will feel very tough for the civils paper 2, friends, right? UPSC paper 2, that is CSAT, right, friends? Because we have created a strategy, and if any of the student will follow those kind of strategy, that strategy he will definitely, that is 100%, he will clear the paper 2 of the CSAT, friends, right? And we will be providing you an important topics which are most important for UPSC prelims 2020, friends, right? UPSC prelims 2020 or 2021, whenever the exams will be held. So very soon, within 1 to 2 days, we will let you know, right, friends? So till then, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the video, friends. Please do like and share, subscribe the Acquire IAS, friends, right? And thank you very much. That is it for this video, friends. Have a great day.